Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare 3 popular online discount brokers in India: Groww, Zerodha, and Fyers. If you are new in this channel, so please like and comment on this video for motivating me. Let's start with Groww. This online broker has gained a reputation for its easy-to-use platform and zero commission on mutual fund investments. Groww offers a simple and intuitive mobile app that makes investing in mutual funds easy and including stocks, ETFs, and digital gold. One of the main benefits of Groww is their zero commission model, which makes investing more affordable for small investors. If you want to open Demat account, link is given in the description. Next up is Zerodha, one of the largest and most popular discount brokers in India. They are known for their user-friendly platform. Zerodha offers a wide range of investment options including equity, commodity, currency, and mutual funds. They also have a powerful trading platform called Kite, which offers advanced charting tools and customizable dashboards. One of the main benefits of Zerodha is their low brokerage fees, which can be as low as 20 rupees per trade. If you want to open Demat account, link is given in the description. Finally, one of my favorite, Fyers, a relatively new player in the online brokerage space in India. Fyers has gained a reputation for its low brokerage fees, advanced trading tools, and fast customer support. Fyers has a powerful trading platform called Fyers One, and new one is Fyers 2.0, which offers advanced charting and backtesting tools. One of the main benefits of Fyers is their low brokerage fees, which can be as low as 20 rupees per trade. If you want to open Demat account, link is given in the description. So audience, make a comment below, which one is the best for you? Well, it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to invest in mutual funds, Groww might be the best option for you. If you're an active trader who needs advanced trading tools and a low-cost brokerage, Zerodha or Fyers might be a better fit. Ultimately, it's important to compare the features and pricing of each broker and choose the one that offers the investment options and tools that you need, at a cost that is affordable for you.